Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be this look. If you guys like this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. And this is the Janet collection mommy wig. And girl, when I tell you guys, this hair is so freaking pretty. It took me some time to just try to, style it up, but your girl got it together. Did she get it together? Like, look at this. I'm literally excited because I can style this hair any type of way. I'm gonna be keeping this hair for a while. I can literally like wet this hair and can't wait to show the world this hair. And I hope you guys like it too. If you guys like it, make sure you guys keep on watching. And girl, I got this hair in a 1B. If you guys are like wondering what color is this is a 1B. So I'm literally excited about it. And I'm just looking in the mirror. If you guys are like, what is she looking at? I'm looking in the mirror and I'm just trying to see exactly what I did. Okay, guys, I want to tell you guys, all I use is spritz and mousse. So I'm going to show you exactly what type of spritz I use so that you guys can know if you want to purchase or if you want to just purchase the mousse that I got. I got the Pump It Up Gold Spritz Spray, and then I also got this olive oil mousse, and this is exactly how it looks. This stuff literally holds anything you're wanting to hold on your head. Girl, when I tell you guys this is the best, go get you some. This is the best. And this, girl, all the stylists use this hairspray, and this is so freaking good. If you want it, purchase this. Let me tell you guys, so all I did was just put spritz and mousse on my hand at the same time, and then I just held it down, and then I used my blow dryer just to hold it down. Comment down below, let me know what you guys thought about this hair. Make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel, and I love you guys so much. Let me just do this pose for you guys because girl,
baby, let your head down, be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to.
I'm trying to see where is the, okay. It actually snugs my head pretty tight, and that's what I'm liking. And this one is the pixie cut one. So if you guys are wondering what type of one this one is, this is the pixie cut one. So I did like move my cap back because I want it to be like it's my hair. So it does have two combs in the front, and it also have a comb in the back. So I didn't braid my hair at all. I just put it in a ponytail. I'm not gonna put a lot on there because just do it like this just so that it can show the finger wave, and just pat it down just so it can be a little bit fresher than it was before, because girl, this here, I'm thinking about cutting it just a little bit on the side. Because if I mess with it a little bit more, honey, it will be a hot mess. And I don't want to mess the waves up, so. And you guys know, if you guys don't know about this hair, if you literally comb this hair out, you're messing up the move in the hair. So I'm not trying to mess it up. I just want to, bring some of the
Your head down, be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it, baby, let your head down, be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws.
can see, it is getting better because I'm waiting. I'm not like combing them out. I'm just putting the mousse in between my and I like this. This is so freaking pretty. It looks more lighter now. So all I'm doing is just putting a little bit of spritz on my hand and just dabbing it on my waves. And then I'm just using a little bit of mousse and just dabbing it on there on top of the spritz. About it when I'm done. So let me just finish up with this and I'll see you guys when I'm done.
You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's.
So this is the only part I'm worried about. I'm worried about just the front. I'm not gonna mess with the back because the back is fine. I don't wanna mess with the back just to mess it up because the back is fine. So I'm going to be going in and just continuing to do this. I'm not gonna cut no more off because I don't want it to mess up. I really don't. So I'm just gonna leave it be, and girl, this is so freaking pretty. I'll probably just cut a little bit off right here and then just put it just like that. Now the spritz is not making it hard, but I love how it's like styling this thing.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to.
Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair. I'm so excited. My battery is going dead, so I have to wait till this battery charge up. Hopefully it'll be done. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the back.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it.
So as you guys know, I did not mess with the back. I just decided to just leave that part alone because I just felt like it was already waved out in the back. So I just left that part alone and I just worked on the front because that's the whole point of the problem was the front. It did give me a little problem because it was like really curling up and I was just like, oh my god, I don't know what to do with it. But I actually decided to just put some spritz and some mousse on there and that really held it down. And I'm literally excited about it. I love it.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.